Welcome to In Jamaica, and if this is your first time here, please subscribe, click the notification bell and stick around to see places in Jamaica. This video is aimed at giving you a general overview, but you can check the video description for added information. Currently, we are driving west in Mammee Bay towards Drax Hall, St. Ann Parish. We are driving on the A3 North Coast Highway, same as the Northern Coastal Highway, or the Ocho Rios to St. Ann's Bay Road. Entering Drax Hall. On the right is Boot Drax Hall service station. On the left is the A1 Davistown to Greenwich Park Road, and that road will take you to Stairtown, Chalky Hill, Davistown and other places. To the right is the Drax Hall football field. We are now driving on the A1 North Coast Highway, also the Allan George Richard Byfield Highway, same as the A.G.R Byfield Highway. On the left is Columbus Drive, and to the right is Drax Hall Manor Road, which will take you to Drax Hall Manor and Drax Hall Country Club. To the left, you can find the North Jamaica Conference of Seventh-day Adventists, and to the right is the Drax Hall Plaza, where you can find Knutsford Express, a luxury passenger courier transportation company, Starbucks, KFC, CPJ Mart, Quartz Furniture Store, and other establishments. On the left is Total Tools. On the right is Great River Avenue, which will take you towards Drax Hall Estate and also onto Santa Gloria Crescent and Don Christopher Avenue. Entering St. Ann's Bay, and the sign on the left reads, "Welcome to St. Ann's Bay." Crossing St. Ann's Great River. Please remember to subscribe to In Jamaica. Give us a like and share, and thank you all for watching.